Understanding the phrase, I find it repulsive. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, I find it repulsive. It's a powerful expression that can help you convey your feelings about something you really dislike. So, let's dive in and learn how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. The phrase, I find it repulsive, is made up of three main parts. First, I find suggests personal opinion or feeling towards something. It's a way of expressing a discovery of emotion or thought about an object, situation, or action. Secondly, it is a pronoun that stands in for the thing you are discussing. Lastly, repulsive is an adjective meaning extremely unpleasant or disgusting. So, when combined, this phrase expresses a strong personal dislike or disgust towards something. You can use this phrase in various contexts where you want to express a strong negative feeling towards something. It could be in response to behaviors, ideas, food, smells, sights, or any experience that you find particularly offensive or disgusting. However, it's important to use this expression carefully as it conveys a strong emotion that might offend or upset someone if directed towards something they like or believe in. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. I find it repulsive when people litter in public parks. Here, the speaker is expressing their strong dislike for the act of littering. She finds the idea of cheating on exams repulsive. In this case, the person is disgusted by the notion of cheating. Many people find the smell of durian fruit repulsive, while others love it. This sentence shows how personal the feeling of repulsion can be. If you want to express a similar sentiment but with a different degree of intensity or politeness, you can use phrases like, I find it off-putting. I'm not a fan of it. It doesn't appeal to me. These alternatives can convey your dislike or discomfort without being as strong as repulsive. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the phrase, I find it repulsive. Remember, it's a powerful way to express your strong dislike or disgust towards something. However, always consider the context and your audience to ensure your message is received as intended. I hope you found this lesson helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!